birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Heidi. Happy birthday to you. There you go. How old are you now? No. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Heidi. Happy birthday to you. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much indeed. So, quickly, hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! There we go, thank you very much indeed. And by now, your face should be as red as you drink.
Yes.
I've done my job properly, that's wonderful. Right, okay. Have a great birthday, Heidi. Thank you very much indeed.
All right.